Hello, dear AI enthusiasts. Today we're talking about something that is completely revolutionizing the world of AI image generation. OpenAI's new GPT Image Generator. And believe me, this tool will elevate your creative possibilities to a completely new level. OpenAI recently released their brand new GPT Image 1 API, and the numbers speak for themselves. Over 130 million users have generated more than 700 million images in just 1 week. That's insane. And now this power is available to developers through the API. If you want to learn more about the latest developments in AI image generation, subscribe to the channel now and activate the bell. This way you won't miss any updates on tools that can revolutionize your development work. Unlike previous AI image generators, GPT Image 1 is a natively multimodal language model and works fundamentally differently. It already plans a high-quality structure during generation, which leads to significantly better results. Especially groundbreaking is the ability to process and render text. An important example from my tests. With the prompt "Generate German ID card," I could see how deceptively real the generator can create official documents. This shows not only the impressive capabilities, but also raises important ethical questions. Where are the limits of such technology? As responsible developers, we must be aware that such capabilities could be misused. One more reason why OpenAI has implemented moderation filters, which we'll talk about later. The possibilities for legitimate use are nevertheless endless. Try it yourself. This is not an ordinary image generator, but something completely new. As one of the most well-known tech YouTubers said, it's not just another regular AI model that creates images in the usual way. You can see directly that it's already planning a high-quality structure in advance. It seems fundamentally different from already existing systems. And that's exactly the point. The API offers 3 main functions. First, generations, which creates images from text prompts. Second, edits, which modifies existing images. And third, inpainting, which replaces only certain parts of an image. Especially useful is the inpainting. You can mask certain areas of an image and replace only those. Imagine you have a beautiful photo of a living room and you just want to fill the empty pool. Simply mask the pool and you can already have a flamingo swimming in it. For developers, integration is super easy. With a few lines of code in Python, JavaScript, or as a curl command, you can generate professional images. The request is incredibly simple. You specify the model, write your prompt, and you already get an image back. If you prefer to use the playground, you can experiment directly at this URL. The link is in the description. But beware, even in the playground API, costs are incurred. What makes the API so flexible are the various customization options. The size can be 1024 by 1024 pixels, 1536 by 1024 pixels, or 1024 by 1024 pixels, 1536 pixels. The quality can be set to low, medium, or high. Available formats are PNG, JPEG, and WebP. And for PNG and WebP, even transparent backgrounds are possible. An absolute game changer for developers, designers, and content creators. You should know, the higher the quality and the larger the image, the more tokens are consumed and the higher the costs. The application possibilities are incredibly diverse. You can create detailed explanatory diagrams, such as how to paint a panda in 4 steps or visualize complex scientific concepts. One developer even created a diagram explaining the complex light simulation algorithm, something that previous AI systems have never been able to do. Create professional magazine covers in the style of Vogue or other well-known magazines. As shown in the German video, I've taken all this and just casually used the show with the mouse and the elephant. Looks cool, doesn't it? From Breaking Bad in Stranger Things style to Grand Theft Auto Bochum, everything is possible. Even with correct casting and rating. Create coherent picture stories and let the AI continue the story. This is where the strength of the GPT 4.0 model works particularly well. Have you already had experience with image generation in your development projects? Share your experiences in the comments and let's build a small developer community. I'll personally respond to your questions. Unlike previous models, it doesn't forget what your characters look like. The character consistency is first class. You can finally depict the same character in different situations. It won't forget. But wait, this means that it's finally possible to create AI-generated comics where the AI helps, but the idea comes from you. This looks incredible. How about a McDonald's Dubai burger made from kadayif and pistachio cream with baklava buns? Or products designed by Steve Jobs that never existed? The combination of different styles is especially fun. Upload a reference image and ask the AI to create your content in that style. Studio Ghibli styles are particularly popular, from Tesla prototypes to Banana Girl. Everything has been Ghiblified. But not only that, you can also edit and enhance images. Do you have an old family photo that you'd like to have in a different style? No problem. Upload it and specify how it should look. Even textbooks and scientific papers can be completely redesigned with this tool. Imagine what research papers of the future could look like. Not dry and boring, but visually appealing and easy to understand. A huge difference compared to before. And what's really impressive, the GPT Image Generator can generate images with text, and better than ever before. While previous models often failed at text generation, this model produces clear, readable text. This is enormously important for developers who need to create infographics, logos, business cards, or product packaging. The text rendering capability opens up completely new possibilities for UI/UX prototyping and content creation. The price structure is quite simple. $5 per million text tokens for input, $10 per million image tokens for input, and $40 per million output tokens. This means about 2.7 or 19 cents per square image, depending on the quality level: low, medium, high. For a square image at low quality, 272 tokens are consumed. At medium quality, 1,056 tokens. And at high quality, a whopping 4,160 tokens. For larger formats like portrait or landscape, these numbers increase even further. So plan your budget accordingly. You should know the limitations. Complex prompts can require up to 2 minutes of processing time. Despite improvements, the model can still have problems with text placement and clarity. The consistency of recurring characters across multiple generations can fluctuate, and with complex layouts or structured compositions, it can be difficult to place elements precisely. All prompts are filtered according to OpenAI guidelines. You can control the degree of moderation with the moderation parameter. Auto is the standard and filters potentially non-child-friendly content, while Low offers less strict filtering. What many are wondering, can you also depict well-known personalities with it? Yes, that's possible. For example, I created a Squid Game German politicians version. Here it's important to maintain a responsible approach. While depicting known personalities is possible, this should always be ethically justifiable and within the framework of OpenAI guidelines. We as developers have a responsibility for the content we create. There are of course limits for certain content, but you can definitely be creative. An important tip at the end, when working with the image generator, experiment with different prompts. Sometimes a small change is enough to achieve a completely different and better result. It often helps to give detailed instructions, such as a professional product photo on a white background or in the style of a watercolor painting. You can also combine images by uploading multiple ones and asking the AI to merge them into a new image. OpenAI's GPT Image Generator is a huge leap forward and will completely change the way we work with AI-generated images. The combination of text understanding, image editing, and consistent style generation opens doors for creatives, developers, and businesses. The API is available for all developer tiers, but you must validate your identity through the OpenAI API. Companies like Adobe, Figma, and Gamma have already implemented the integration. My tip, experiment with different styles, use the combination of images, and observe how the AI continues your stories. The possibilities are endless. Oh, and one more thing. If you use this tool professionally, pay attention to the quality setting. For most applications, medium is completely sufficient, while high should be used for particularly detailed images. This way, you can save costs and still achieve impressive results. Would you like a deeper insight into development with the GPT Image Generator? I'm offering a free workshop for all subscribers next week. Hit the like button and comment with workshop to secure your spot. Places are limited, so be quick. I personally am totally excited about this tool and can experiment with it for hours. It has already helped me to impress clients and elevate projects to a new level. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on AI. Tools and their application. By the way, you can find all the prompts I used in our Discord, link in the description. Did you like this video? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you activate the bell, you'll even be informed when we upload a new video. I hope to see you next time. Until then, stay real.